Hello my friends, this is TechRover. In this video I'm just going to be showing you one of the best applications that you can reface yourself with the famous characters of Hollywood. For example, this one I created and I uploaded to my Instagram story. You know this man and the face is mine. How you can create this kind of clips for your Instagram stories or TikTok, whatever you have. Let me show you. First of all, you just have to go to the Play Store of your Android device and install Reface application. Once you install this application, go open it, and even you can go ahead to subscribe for the promo to get more access, and even you can remove the watermark. Whatever, I didn't subscribe yet, but I'm going to subscribe. After that, just go ahead to add any selfie photo from the gallery to make my clips, and this photo will be okay. Once I just crop the photo, I'm going to click on confirm, and here you go, we are waiting for it. And after that, go ahead to check for the gallery any clip you want to create yourself. So this one, and I'm going to choose my photo, and here you go, this is me on Iron Man's face and looks very good. I can directly go ahead to share this video to my TikTok or Instagram story. Oh my god, this is cool. I'm going to try how to Instagram story by choosing story here. Just click on once, and here you go. This is the story I just made with that Reface application. Even you cannot see the watermark too. Oh my god, I love it. It's working great. I'm going to share it to my Instagram story, and I found a new one which is Thor. Oh my god, here you go. This is me on Thor face. Oh my god, this is cool. You don't need any green screen or any video editor application on your PC. This is very simple and easy. Even you can create your own now here on this Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.